Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apple Arcade. First, you will need an active subscription. You can usually start with a free trial, typically for 1 month or even 3 months if you recently purchased a new Apple device. This service provides unlimited access to a vast library of over 200 games, all completely free of advertisements and in-app purchases, ensuring a pure gaming experience. Once subscribed, open the App Store on your device and navigate to the dedicated Arcade tab. Here, you can browse the extensive collection of games. Simply tap to download any game you wish to play. After downloading, you can enjoy these games even without an internet connection. Plus, your game progress seamlessly syncs across all your compatible Apple devices using iCloud. Apple Arcade offers incredible value, allowing up to 6 family members to share a single subscription through family sharing. Many games also support external controllers, like those from PlayStation or Xbox, providing a more console-like gaming experience. The library is constantly growing, with new and exciting titles added regularly, so there is always something fresh to discover and enjoy. You can enjoy Apple Arcade games across a wide range of your Apple devices, including your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. For the best experience, make sure your devices are running the latest operating system software. The service also extends to Apple Vision Pro, offering an even more immersive way to play. This flexibility means you can pick up and play your favorite games wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.